My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 BMW 1 Series M Sport. This vehicle has done just over 64,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we can see features such as voice control and cruise control. And moving on over to the screen, we have settings, vehicle information, connected drive, contacts, navigation, telephone, radio, and multimedia. We can choose from a variation of different driving modes. So we have Comfort, Eco Pro, and Sport, as well as Sport Plus. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.